Hi guys, welcome to ITR Expert again. In today's video, we will use Outlook to read and reply emails, create and send them. We go to the File menu and choose Automatic Replies from the options. Click on Automatic Replies and select Send Automatic Replies. Now, type your auto-reply message inside the Organization tab, including your return date and any contact instructions if needed. If known, check the box for Only Send during this time range, and use the drop-down calendar to select your desired date range and set the time you'll be away. At last, format the text, copy the message outside the Organization tab and click OK to save your settings. Your automatic reply is now set up. There you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.